Now we are discussing some more methods for the preparation of amines. Basically, here we are discussing preparation of amines by reduction process. So let's discuss first reduction of nitroalkanes. Primary amines can be obtained by catalytic reduction of nitroalkanes by using hydrogen in presence of platinum or nickel, or by using tin and HCl as a catalyst. So here you can see in this reaction, when nitroethane, when it is reacted with tin and HCl, here it acts as a catalyst and it provides 6 nascent hydrogen atom. This 6 nascent hydrogen atom reduces the nitroethane, and here NO2 group is reduced to NH2 group and 2 water molecules are formed. That means 2 oxygen atoms, they get converted into 2 water molecules. So here, as there is a addition of hydrogen, it is a reduction process. In place of SN and HCl, as I already told you, hydrogen in presence of platinum or nickel can also be used. See here, when nitroethane, it reacts with SN and HCl, or hydrogen in presence of nickel, or lithium aluminium hydride as a reducing agent. Here NO2 group get reduced to NH2 group and 2 water molecules are formed. For this, 6 hydrogen atoms are required. Another example is nitrobenzene. When nitrobenzene, again it is reacted with SN and HCl or iron and HCl, 6 hydrogen atoms reduces nitro group to NH2 group and water molecule. So nitrobenzene get converted into aniline. So this is the first reaction, that is the reduction of nitroalkane. Now next is reduction of nitriles. Primary amines can be obtained by catalytic reduction of alkyl cyanide, RCN, or nitriles. Cyanides are also called as nitriles, using hydrogen in presence of platinum or nickel, or even by using lithium aluminium hydride, LAH, lithium aluminium hydride. Here what happened? When alkyl cyanide reacts with hydrogen, here cyanide group is reduced and we get R. 2 hydrogen goes here and 2 hydrogen goes to nitrogen. So what it will become? RCH2NH2. Some more example of the reduction of cyanides or nitrile. RCN, when it is reduced in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, it get converted into the primary amine RCH2NH2. This reaction we are not discussing right now. So next is reduction of isonitriles. We have seen when nitriles are reduced, RCN, we get primary amine, that is RCH2NH2. But when there is a reduction of isonitrile, isonitriles, they are having NC as a isocyanide functional group. Here secondary amines with methyl group as one of the alkyl group present on nitrogen are obtained by catalytic reduction of isonitriles or isocyanides with hydrogen in presence of platinum. Now here what will happen? CH3 N C. So here what will happen? 4 hydrogen atoms are distributed like this. 1 hydrogen will go here and 3 hydrogen will go here. What we will get here? CH3 NHCH3. Means always in secondary amine, 1 R group will be always methyl group, because this carbon is always converted into methyl group. Okay, so methyl isocyanide on reduction gives secondary amine, that is a dimethyl amine. Next is a reduction of oximes. Here, when oximes are reduced in presence of lithium aluminium hydride or hydrogen in presence of platinum and nickel, it gives primary amines. Oxime on reduction gives primary amines. Here you can see, and I guess all of you remember how oximes are formed from aldehyde and ketones. So these oxime are double bond NOH. When these are reduced or hydrogen is added, here how hydrogen is added? See, 2 hydrogen goes here and 1 hydrogen will go. So there is R and 1 hydrogen will go here. In this way 4 hydrogen atoms are distributed, R, CH, R, NH2. So this primary amine is formed here. Here you can see reduction of oxime, CH3, this is the acetone oxime. And when it undergo reduction, this how 4 hydrogen atoms are distributed. See, hydrogen will go here, 2 hydrogen will go to the nitrogen, and 1 hydrogen the carbon. What we will get? CH3. Here it is not CH2. It should be CH3, CH, CH3, NH2. And this is the primary amine. So oximes on reduction gives primary amine. Now next is reduction of amides. Simple amides, that is RCONH2, on reduction in presence of lithium aluminium hydride and ether yield primary amines with the same number of carbon atom as the starting amine. Here RCONH2 on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride gives R. This C double bond O get converted into CH2 NH2. In this reaction, number of carbon atoms which were in amide remains same in this primary amine. Here acetamide has 2 carbon. When it is reduced in presence of lithium aluminium hydride or sodium in presence of alcohol, this C double bond O group is converted into CH2. We will get CH3, CH2, NH2 plus H2. That is, acetamide get converted into ethylamine, and this also has 2 carbon atoms. So the number of carbon atom in this reduction process remains same. Next process, it is a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. We will discuss in next video.